Right, just a little update on the George Garat. I've, because everything was covered in rust, I've had it soaking all night in a rust eater. So I managed to give the chrome a bit of a clean, which actually came up all right. This has been in rust eater all night, so that just went drying off, rinsing and drying off. But that's actually come up all right. I think that's acceptable as to leave it like that. You're going to get a bit of smoke, a bit of heat damage, well, not damage, but you know, stains. But I think that's come up all right. Chimney, yeah, it's not too bad. Well, there's a little bit of rust still. I'm surprised with that. Well, it looks like it's been getting it just wiped off. I'll wipe that over and dry it, and I think that'll be all right to leave as well. And all I'll do is polish up this the top of the chimney. But yeah, the rust eater has got rid of all the rust, or loosened it enough to make it acceptable. Yeah, because there's a little bit of rust showing on there, but it's just wiping off. So that's done its job. That's done its job. I'll just put this back into the container now because it's reusable. With the other parts, I'm in two minds really, because there's no paint left on that flywheel. And if it was an expensive model, I'd probably leave it, but I'm tempted to paint that now. You know, there's very little paint left on it. I'm tempted to paint it and the posts. Another coat of varnish on the base, a little bit of black in there. The posts. Shame about the flywheel. There was definitely a flywheel there. You can just see where the spokes were. Just broke off. So I might be able to try. I'll see if I can dig out a flywheel for an old machine. What might fit on there. Paint these in gold. You can see it was. You can see that was like a. Oh, it's brown now, but I would imagine that was probably a maroony red. This was green. Yeah, I think I'll paint it. I don't normally paint them, but this actually really runs very well. And what I like about this, normally the Stirling engines, they run for 4 or 5 minutes and they stop. This one just goes and goes and goes. So yeah, it's just a minor update, just so you can see where I am. But yeah, I think the decisions now is to paint this one. Try and get some original colours. You never find actually what the original colour were, but if I can just paint it up and make it look nice. It's not as if it's got any. I mean, look at that. There's no paint left on that. You can see it was green with some sort of mottled effect, like a marbling, but no paint left on that. And I think it looked better with some paint on. So I'm going to leave it here, guys. That's what I'm going to do with that one. I'm going to wipe these down and leave that. I'm not going to paint them. And we'll see how it looks when it's done. All right, leave it there. Cheers, guys.